Hey everyone, this is Fahad Abdulaziz from Fadiz Pro and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to change your product currency. For example, it's a product page and you can see this is a USD currency. Now I will change the currency. At first, we have to visit the WordPress dashboard. If you hover the WooCommerce label, you will find the settings. Under the settings page, if you scroll down, you will find the currency options. In these options, you will get currency, currency position, thousand separator, decimal separator, and number of decimals. So we will change the only currency. I will write Bangladeshi Taka. Now I will click the Save Changes. Now I will visit our product page and click on the refresh icon. So as you can see, our product currency is not changed yet. So we will just purge all the cash and our currency is changed to Bangladeshi Taka. Also, if we want to put this icon on the right side, just simply go to the settings page of WooCommerce. Then click the currency position and click write with space. Now I will click again Save Changes and visit the product page. I will refresh the page again. If you see don't change, then click on the purge all icon and you will see the currency icon on the right side with the space. So I will choose the option on the left side. I will click Save Changes and I will again go to the product page and purge all cache. Okay, now our currency is changed. As you can see, I click the purge all. It's a plugin called Light Speed. If I show you, then we have to go to the installed plugin page and you can see it's a Light Speed cache. So if you install this plugin, it will remove all the caches. Thanks for watching the videos.